Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this foam shoe cleanser. Kick out stains, let your white shine, unleash the foam power. Okay, let's check it out. We got some dirty tennis shoes here. Anytime you get white tennis shoes on there, it's just, you know, you're just asking for it. Okay, so this comes with a little sponge here. We got nice little microfiber cloth and a little brush here too. So let's check out the instructions here. Methods used: just dip brush into bowl of water, apply foam to stains and scrub with a brush. Rinse with water and air dry. Do a little comparison. Stuff's definitely foamy. Pretty foamy stuff here. All right. Well, that being said, clean off my table here. And we can do a comparison. So clearly it's a little bit definitely whiter there than it was before, and obviously like the front portion is noticeably cleaner, and this is noticeably less brown than it was. So it seems to work decently well as far as removing some of the grime off of there. So anyways, I wasn't expecting any miracle. A lot of things that claim to just do like an amazing job. Yeah, it's really hard to get dirt stains out, but this one seemed to do a decent job of it. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it was useful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.